In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to get started with LangMagic, your personal hub for immersive language learning. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on the content library. This is where you'll find thousands of videos designed to help you learn a new language, from real-life conversations to grammar breakdowns. You can switch your target language anytime directly from the content library. Just select the language you want to learn, and the video list will update instantly. To make browsing easier, we've grouped videos into clear categories: stories, build context through immersive narratives; dialogues, practice listening with everyday conversations and interviews; vocabulary and expressions, expand your word bank with useful phrases; grammar, understand essential rules with clear explanations. You'll also see a playlists button at the top of the content library. Here you'll find ready-made playlists organized by topics like culture, shopping, daily life, and more. These are perfect if you want to dive into a specific theme without searching. Looking for something specific? Use the levels filter to match your current skill level. Or try the search bar to find videos by topic or keyword. Whenever you open a video from the content library, it's automatically saved to your My Videos auto-generated list. That way, you can always find it again later without needing to search for it. You can also use the Recent tab to quickly access all the videos you've watched or interacted with recently. No need to remember where you left off. Want to organize your favorite videos for focused learning? You can create your own playlists in just a few steps. Go to My Videos. Tap Create Playlist. Add a name and select your language level. Then tap Create. Once your playlist is ready, tap the Add to Playlist icon next to any video. Can't find a suitable video in our library? You can also add any video from YouTube using our Chrome extension. Once it's set up and you're logged in, go to YouTube and find a video with subtitles in your target language. Click the LangMagic icon next to the subtitles, or copy and paste the video URL into LangMagic. LangMagic also comes with a built-in text-to-audio tool. You can create an audio narration synchronized with text and then access LangMagic's tools just as you would with video subtitles.
Pas vraiment.
And that's it. You now have access to organized content, ready-made and custom playlists, and smart tools, all in one app. Ready to explore? Start your language journey now with LangMagic.